Bubba from All Race Fabrications. We're here at Summernats 32. Behind me I've got my twin turbo VH Commodore. Go the plastic. Okay, so we made 2,261 rear wheel horsepower on list dyno. That was on 37 pounder boost. Michael from Quick Bits has said we should turn it up. I'm like, well, maybe we should. So we're going to go, first pull, we're going to go for about 40 pounder boost, a little bit more. If it hangs together, we're going to go right up to maybe 50, 60 pounder boost.
How was that?
That was pretty cool.
Isn't that the record for a car with number plates here?
Street car life. Look at this. Carpet. Carpet.
Still a Holden motor, twin 88s. Just made 2,400 horsepower at the rear wheels. I believe it was 55 pounds of boost. I could be wrong, but I think it's around there. And it's still together, love and life. So the motor is a 398 cube Holden motor. The block is a torque power block. We run Nathan Higgins 6-bolt head, torque power manifold. Glenn Wells built the engine, loves to rev, and it's probably making 2,700 horsepower at the flywheel now, love and life. So the turbos are a Garrett Pro Mod twin 88. Definitely way too big for this engine, but you know, why go smaller when you can go bigger? So it takes about 6 months to spool up, but hey, it's still fun when they do. All right, so the crank is actually a Sonny Bryan crank. I took a Holden crank over to America, threw it on their desk, and they're like, please don't throw it on my desk. But anyway, so they made me a crank, and it's suited for 3,000 horsepower. Rods, specially made, custom made, also 3,000, as well as the piston. So the rotating assembly is good for 3,000 horsepower, maybe, so they say. Yeah, so it's water to air intercooler, which we run in the boot because we still run on pump fuel, E85 and methanol. All right, so we've got a nitrous bottle obviously. That's to help us now bring it up on boost. Starts at 2,000 RPM and then comes off at 7 pounder boost, purely just to help it come up on boost.
So it's more for drag racing?
It's just purely for drag race. Then we've got the CO2 bottle for the AMS. This is our water to air cooler.
So that runs, it's got pipes that run.
You won't be able to see it, mate, it's all hidden. So water to air cooler,
yep.
Obviously ice box. We also put our beers in that.
Smuggle them in the sun.
Big ass fuel cell for street use, yep. And oil catch can. All our catch cans from everything from trans, water, motor, all in this bad boy here. Michael from Quick Bits support all the fuel systems, so they're 22 or 24s, Siemens 22s I think they are. So we run 16 of them. We run a mechanical fuel pump. Also from, I think it's Aeromotive, that's from Michael from Quick Bits, supplies all that. It's got way too much fuel. We can't pull enough fuel out of it, so we can keep making more and more power because the fuel system is more than capable. We run a Haltech Elite. We've pretty much got every sensor and every friggin' thing from Haltech you can get. Okay, so when it comes to the boost control, we do use the AMS. We use O2, CO2, and AMS. Can't beat it. You tell it what you want, it puts it there. Ramp rates, everything, it's fantastic. Yeah, this is still street. Yeah, boy, I'll do that. It's like thank MPW. It is still a fully registered street car. Okay, so it's ran a 780 at 160 miles per hour. Back it off with the old setup. With the new setup with this kind of power, we have not got it to the track. We haven't got it down the track. We've had so many issues. But after we pull the motor out, we'll get down that track and we'll try and PB low 7. Mate, I just want to say a big thank you to Street Machine and Valvoline. Without those two guys, we would not be here.
How was that?
That was pretty cool.
Isn't that the record for a car with number plates here?
Street car life. Look at this. Carpet. Carpet.
Yeah, boy!
Well done, mate.
Thank you very much.
There's all that.
That was amazing. I believe this is yours. I want an indicator. I'm happy as a pig in shit. Not that. Yeah. I better stop this fucking beat. That is mint. Yeah, boy. My boy Blue.
What happened on that little run? Just go CO2?
Yeah. Someone forgot to put the CO2 bottle on.
How much boost is the last run?
It went over boost. That would have went probably 55-ish. You heard it popping and coughing.
And that was boost cut.
That was boost cut.
So it was all of the boost. It was all of the boost.
No, we still had more to go.
Oh, okay, we'll see you later then.
Yeah, come back next time and you're not an idiot.
Bubba!
Thank you very much. Coming? No, you're all right. So, just want to thank everyone, all race crew, Danny, Kane for coming with us, Brett for building the car, Foxy for being Foxy, Mad Dog, Fab for being Fab, God bless Fab, we miss Fab. Fab, you should be here. Where are you, Fab? Pazzo, Speed Pro, Glenn Wells, Nathan, Talk Power, and myself, Go Me. And Benny, Go Me. Who? MDC. Oh yeah, MDC. Alright, that'll do it. Thank you.